Hey everybody, Crazy Dave here from Crazy Dave's crew. Excuse me, wore myself out yesterday a little bit. I didn't get a whole lot of filming done yesterday. I was really goal oriented, and I wanted to get at least the one wall with the nesting boxes in it. So that took quite a bit of effort, and I just kind of didn't film while I was working on it. But let me kind of show you around what I got done, and then today we'll see what else we can get knocked out. So we got these crossbars put up. You saw me doing that, and then we've got several bars here for them to roost on. Should be plenty of room for anywhere from 10 to 15, somewhere around in there. So we're actually going to build our flock back up a little bit, and we've got the nesting boxes there cut out. As you can see, I just want y'all to know it's okay to make mistakes. I wasn't paying attention to where I put that nesting box hole, and there's one of my studs are in the way. But what I'll do is I'll cut that off so that it's not blocking their entrance, and they should be okay with that. And then maybe do a crossbar going right through there to make things a little more sturdy. And let's see, we of course got the wall up, and over here I've done a nice little nesting box where we can open it up. Got the 3 hinges here. I cut this at a 45-degree angle so that it would lay down nice and smooth over here. And then you can lift this up. I'm probably going to put some kind of prop or something in here to hold it open. For right now, the hinges are still pretty stiff, so they're holding it up for me, but that won't last for long. And then down in here, I decided to use the scraps from cutting the doors as my dividers. I'm going to have to cut those down just a little bit to make them fit so that the door will close. And then we've got little grooves for those to sit into. Framed that up a little bit, and that's what we did yesterday. So today we're going to work on getting the other 3 walls up. And then I'm going to put a lock right here so that this can't be opened without human hands. But that is where we're at. So if I can get the 4 walls up today, and then possibly get the roof up, get a ramp coming out through here, have their entry here with a ramp going down, that'll be nice. I think they'll enjoy that. And then we'll start finishing her up. So that's it for now.